Hey, I just wanted to show you where you could find these practice problems in MyMathLab. It's going to be a good place for you to get some practice with those. So let me. So when you're in our MyMathLab site, if you go to Study Plan, and you're going to want to go to All Chapters, and then where is Exponential and Logarithmic Functions, Financial Models. So these are all going to be those compound interest problems in here, okay? We're not going to do problems involving inflation, but the time to reach an investment goal, the rate of interest or time required to double or triple months, calculating effective rates of interest, present value of money, value of a lump sum of money, future value of a lump sum of money, things like that. So these are going to be good practice for you. When you go into these problems, you can try them as many times as you want to. It'll show you the correct answer. You can go help me solve this or view an example to help you through it. Or you can click right here and click Ask My Instructor a Question, and it will send me an email and I can help you out with that as well, okay?